But first, let's take a look at some breaking news happening this morning here in Youngstown. Crews responding to a fire at the Youngstown wastewater treatment plant on Pullen Avenue. Jasmine just arrived on the scene and was working to learn a few more details. What can you tell us so far, Jazz?
Well, Jen, as if the weather wasn't already enough to deal with this morning, the Youngstown Fire Department received a phone call approximately around 7:45 this morning from a co-worker here at the plant stating that there was heavy smoke and flames coming from the 4th floor of the incinerator building here. Now, I have Chief John O'Neill with me here this morning from the Youngstown Fire Department just to explain to us a little bit more about what took place here at the scene. Good morning to you, John. Is anyone hurt in this incident? That's what we want to get to first.
No, right now it looks like everyone's okay. The workers are okay. Firefighters so far, everything's all right.
Now, was it hard dealing with the weather so far this morning to put that fire out?
No, actually this was a little more reasonable. That we had a little delay because of the roads, obviously snow covered, so that did cause a little delay, but as soon as we got here, operations went pretty smooth and we got it out fast.
And no one was hurt in this incident, and you're thinking that this is due to electrical?
Yeah, after talking to a couple of the workers, it sounds like it started with an electrical problem on the 4th floor and ignited a lot of material up there.
All right, well, thank you so much for joining us here this morning. We'll bring you more of the latest and breaking news here on WFMJ Weekend Today. I'm Jasmine Monroe.
Thank you, Jasmine, and be sure to tune in for